Hello everyone, welcome to Foshan Jingliang Daily Chem course. Foshan Jingliang belongs to Polywa Group. It's a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. The company's main products include laundry pods, dishwashing pods, bath pod, pet bath pod, hand washing pods, and some other categories. The wrapped material including liquid, powder, particle, and powder liquid mixture. The appearance model covers single component, double component, triple component, and some other multi-component. Compared to the traditional fabric washing product, laundry pods have some very prominent functions. In addition to environmental cleaning functions, they also have some very special functions such as fragrance retention, softness, antibacterial, and mite removal. This multifunctional addition and very precise packing completely separate people's conditions of fabric washing and make fabric washing more convenient, concise, and safe. Besides this, laundry pods are easy to carry, especially suitable for the people who often go out for work and travel. From the perspective of use, laundry pods can actually represent a lifestyle or even an attitude towards life. It makes your life more convenient, comfortable, and exclusive. Thanks for watching and have a good day.